Japanese tuner AutoExe offering a complete styling kit for Mazda CX-60. AutoExe's body kit gives Mazda's latest SUV a more aggressive image. At the front, there is a prominent splitter with wings on each side. The profile remains largely untouched, with the exception of aerodynamic visors in the side windows. At the back, with a large rear wing mounted on the stock spoiler, sporty extensions on the faux vents of the rear bumper, and a decorative diffuser with quad exhaust pipes. The aforementioned parts are compatible with all variants of the CX-60, including the ones coming with the S package from the factory. The add-ons can be purchased as a complete kit or individually. According to AutoExe's website, prices are 90,200 yen for the splitter, 33,000 yen for the window visors, 90,200 yen for the rear wing, 82,500 yen for the diffuser, and 68,200 yen for the rear vent trim. The quad exhaust pipes are still under development, so pricing will be announced at a later date.